benefits of living and working abroad.
So, see, living in another country or relocating or moving to another country is not just restricted to us Asians. Everyone in the world wants to see new things, learn new things, and travel. A lot of European countries, Western European countries, have the trend where learners take a gap year, and travel around the world, learn some new things, learn a new culture, language, and then come back to their homeland and carry on with their study. So I believe leaving your home country doesn't mean that you are abandoning your country. You're just trying to grow and develop as a person, as a person, professional, and just basically expand your horizons. It's actually quite a nice thing to do, because if you're all the time sitting at home, let's take the example of one's house. So if I'm always throughout the year sitting at home, and I don't bother to go out anywhere, even if it's my backyard, I'll remain in a very closed space. My knowledge will not grow. I won't be leading a very healthy life. So exposure would be absolutely next to nil. So in order to gain that exposure, traveling to somewhere in the world is scary sometimes.
I know
But
this feeling.
The first step, the moment you've taken the first step, that the next is obviously the next step. So we have, see, the way we are made, the way we are created, we are meant to move forward. We don't have the tendency to move backward, right?
Yes. So we're living and working in another country, and of course at the same time we remember there is a home in our heart, and it's where we're from.
Yeah, absolutely. Yes, always remembering your roots, remembering where you came from is very important, because that's what one passes on to the next generation as well. But you're passing on something even better, because you're passing on your own culture, language and values, and in addition to that you're passing on another language, another culture. So I think it's a win-win situation. So if one's working in another country, you get to work with people from all over the world rather than just your own people.
Yes, exactly.